Hey guys, my name's Hailey. Welcome back to the Disney Cupcake channel. Today I'm going to be opening some of these Space Mountain Wishables. Let's get started. Make sure to check out all of my other Disney Wishables videos down below. If you guys watched my Disney Parks Icons Wishables video, you guys saw I only bought 2 of the blind bags and I should have bought all 4, hoping to get the entire set. So with the Space Mountain Wishables, I decided to buy all 4, hoping to get the full set of Space Mountain Wishables. I am so glad they're doing Disney Park attraction merchandise. I am just in love with it. I love, as I said many times, I love the ride vehicles. I love the park icons. I love the park so much. So all of this merchandise is amazing, and these are just cute, adorable little plushes, great for my Disney displays. Make sure to check out my other Disney room tour videos, like my Valentine's Day room tour. And speaking of Valentine's Day, I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for a special 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming soon. With all of that said, let's get started. So these Disney Wishables are becoming more and more frequent. They're starting to release many new series of them, and when a new series come out, another series disappears. These are all limited release plushes, so if you're going to the parks later this year, you may not be able to find these ones I'm going to be showing today, but I will leave shopdisney.com linked down below because some past series, like the Haunted Mansion series, are now available on Shop Disney again. So if you're looking to maybe get these and they're sold out, maybe check again in a few weeks and I might be back on there. It's pretty weird. Every Wishables set has a visible plush, so let's take a look at the Space Mountain attraction building. So here we have the white Space Mountain attraction. It looks like a little dumpling. It is adorable. It is super soft, very squishy. There are some like rough parts to it. There's this harder fabric that sticks out to create all the little spikes and everything. So I love how there's the difference in texture and just the variety of all of that. I love its little face. I love how it has the teeny little star eyes, the rosy cheeks. As I've said many times, very soft. I love the top of it. They included all of the little spires, all of the little layers. It's so adorable. I love these little plush. And of course we cannot forget to check out the tag. Here for the Space Mountain series, the Wishables logo is red, white, and blue. There it says Disney Parks above it. And as I've said, this is the Space Mountain series. Again, limited release. And then below there it also has the name of the character, Space Mountain. And when you open it up, there's just your basic information there in all of the different languages, and then there on the back there is a small description about Disney Wishables. All Disney Wishables, including the blind bags, retail for $9.99 at the parks and on shopdisney.com. I love this visible one. I'm glad that the actual attraction was the visible one, because if I could get any of them, I'm glad I was able to get this one. Now let's check out the blind bags. So I did buy all 4 blind bags, hoping to get the entire series. I tried to feel them a little bit, but I don't think they're all different. I think there will be a duplicate in here. Let's take a closer look at the packaging. Here we have on the top the Disney Parks logo. There again, it's saying limited release, and there at the top it has the robot dog and Space Mountain Minnie Mouse. It also says Squeeze Me there at the top, and throughout the entire bag it has a bunch of reflective stars and little space icons. The entire package is a really cool dark blue color, and there again we have the red, white, and blue Wishables logo underneath showing the Space Mountain series. The biggest picture on the package is the Space Mountain attraction vehicle, which is the one I'm really hoping for in this set. And there, flying through space, we have Space Mountain Mickey. Also on the bottom it says includes 1 plush toy. Flipping it over to the back, it says Squeeze Me once again, along with another description of Disney Wishables. And it also states that all sales are final. You cannot return or exchange these plushes. And on the back it contains one of these 4 characters. So the ones that are available are the Robot Dog, Astronaut Mickey, Astronaut Minnie, and the Space Mountain Ride Vehicle. I love how it also includes the names of those characters on the back. Alright, so here we go. First package. I also wanted to add, I love how they have these little tear tabs on them. It is just the best thing ever. So if you're at the parks, you want to open them up, you don't have to rip it apart and lose your mind. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god, we did it! Okay, this is the one I really, really wanted besides the actual little attraction building. Oh my gosh, this is so big. This is this is our little vehicle. Oh my gosh, I love this ride vehicle merchandise. Check him out. Here is the Space Mountain attraction vehicle. I kind of gotta fluff it up a little bit, and I love how there's even this opening here. I think a Wishable would fit inside of that, but hopefully we'll get one of the actual characters so we can test that out. I love how it has just the little seat and everything. It even has the little handlebar. What? That's so cool. I love the little face. Looks like, let's do this. Like, he's got that kind of face going. I love the bright orange on the gray. It's so soft, and I love the little rocket like boosters in the back with the yellow detail. I love just all the shapes, and again just like the variety and everything makes it different from all of the other plush. So soft as always. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so glad that we got that one, but I'm still gonna cross my fingers for the characters here. Okay. Here we have the robot dog. Let's take a closer look at him. He has the bright yellow eyes with the brighter yellow stars, outlined by his black face with little black detailings, rosy and gray cheeks, and he has a little smile going on. He also has a bright red collar and other little robot detailings. On the back here, he has like a red shirt that goes over his collar, and he also has these little things attached to him. I'm assuming they're like batteries or like a jetpack or something, not really sure, but this one's really cute too, and I'm gonna hope that he kind of, okay, his feet stick out a little bit, but you guys get the idea. He fits in there, like he could sit in there and enjoy the attraction. I think that's so cool. Like, I love how they're more like interactive like this. I kind of wish they made like little bigger buildings or something, like all plushy, that like these could go in or on. Like, that's such a cute idea. Let me know down below what attraction they should make next. I want them to do more like the ride vehicles and stuff like this. I know they've done like Splash Mountain and stuff before, but those were just the characters, so I'm hoping for more of like these little buildings and stuff. Okay, we only need one more. Oh my goodness, we got the Space Mountain Minnie Mouse, and it matches the ears perfectly. Don't forget to check out this Disney Store video linked down below. I'll also be going to get the next set of the Minnie Mouse, the main attraction items, so make sure to subscribe so you do not miss it. Oh my gosh, how adorable. So cute. I love her little face. Let's take a closer look at Minnie Mouse. I love the little wink, the little star eyes with the eyelashes, and her super happy smile with the rosy cheeks. I love how her little astronaut hood, you can move the entire front of it, so you can almost pull it back. I love, again, how it's interactive like that. I love all of the light purple detailings. I love the shade of purple they decided to use for this. I love it contrasting with the white and the gray. Looks awesome. I love how they included the details of her little gloves and all of the details of her little space suit and her little jetpack back here. So adorable. Let's see how she fits in here. Okay, so I think any character, their feet are gonna have to stick out a little bit, but that's pretty close. That's pretty close. Oh, not a safe ride. Okay, last blind bag for this video. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. It's a good duplicate, but it is kind of sad. We got another vehicle. I love the vehicles, and now we can have the full attraction with our two characters that we've gotten, and they can go off into the sunset or into space. I guess that'd make more sense. What an awesome set of characters. I am so excited about Disney Wishables. Oh my goodness. Let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite. I have to say the ride vehicle or the actual attraction building, then Minnie Mouse, then the robot dog. I hope to collect Mickey Mouse here in the future, but don't forget to stay tuned for more Wishables videos just like this one, and don't forget to go check out all of the other ones linked down below. But before this video ends, I did want to share with you guys some of the information about the new Disney Store keys coming out, because a lot of you guys ask me all the time how I find out about these Disney keys. I follow many Instagram accounts that share that information, and I'm also on Shop Disney all of the time checking for new items, and I will see it on their little like events section. So definitely, if you're interested in that, definitely check there. I know the UK Disney stores also do this key event too, so you may have to check a special website for them, but I would definitely try to follow some of the Instagram or Twitter accounts for the Disney keys. There's many of them, and that is where I found this information for you guys. So I'm going to put right up here, there is going to be a leap year key, and it is going to be Tigger themed. You can get this key with a $15 purchase on February 29th, so that's coming up super soon. Make sure you guys check out Tuesday's video where I went and got the Minnie Mouse key so you guys can see what time is the best to arrive and how the event works. Before I started filming this video, I also heard about this Cinderella key, and there isn't a lot of information out about this key just yet, but it's going to cost $12.99. This is going to be a purchased key. It's going to come in a fancy little box like this for the 70th anniversary of Cinderella, and this is supposed to be out on March 7th, but this has not been officially announced yet. This has not been officially announced by Shop Disney, by Disney in general, so definitely stay tuned for that. Definitely just keep your eyes out, try to read all of the different emails and things that Shop Disney sends out, because that will be information that is said, but we have till March, so maybe after the Tigger key, start checking Shop Disney and hope that they release more information about that key, because they will be limited since you can purchase them. They won't be given to you when you make a $15 purchase. So that's a big change. That's something different and new. So stay tuned for my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I post all that stuff on my stories all the time, sharing the new Disney Store events that are happening, because I try to keep you guys up to date as much as I can with that, because I know it can get crazy and confusing sometimes. If you do have any questions about that stuff, make sure to DM me on Instagram and maybe I can help you out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and as always, remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!